Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel Mathematic Girl Swati 3226. So in this particular video, as you can see, in the thumbnail only, it is an IMO question. So let's start with the solution. So you can see this question has come from IMO. So I have got so many messages regarding this, that whether I am taking IMO, like is it an IMO question? Are you sure? So I'm getting so many responses. So yes, here is the proof. You can see it's an IMO question. Okay, I can't remove my background. So it's International Mathematics Olympiad. Okay, so yes. When I had given basically this exam, I was just referring this book. So I thought of sharing the questions with all of you. So yes, one question I always, make a video, I share it. There is no solution in this, but yes, there is an answer key. So yes, whatever answers I'm providing you, I'm explaining over here, they are the correct answers. Okay, so yes, let's start with the video. So this question I have already covered in one of my shorts, but I realized that the speed was too much. Like it was, the speed was in some higher speed, of course. So I thought of making this video once again, where I'll just explain this in a more elaborative way. So here it is. So let's start with the solution. So if 25 raised to x minus 1 equals 5 raised to 2x minus 1 minus 100, if this is what we have, this is given, then we have to find the value of x. We have 4 options given. So simply what I'll do, I will start with this 25. I can write down 25 as 5 square. I have written that. And then, of course, x minus 1 as it is. This 5 raised to 2x minus 1, I'm writing as it is. And then minus 100 also as it is. Now, in the next step, I'm going to use the property of exponent. What is the property? I'll tell you. The property is if I have a raised to m raised to n, using the property of exponent, it simply becomes a raised to m into n. So using this property, of course, this will become 5 raised to 2 multiplied by x minus 1, right? Equals again this as it is, 2x minus 1 minus 100. So this is the main reason behind making this video once again, because there I was just talking like, in a very fast speed. So I was like, okay, let's do it once again. So I can, of course, this is getting multiplied. So using this distributive property, 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 1 is 2 equals 5 raised to 2x minus 1 as it is, and then minus 100. Now what I'll do, we know that if you shift, like anything from one side to other side, the sign gets reversed. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. So here minus 100, I'll shift it to the other side. That means from RHS, I'm shifting to LHS. So minus 100 will become plus 100. I'm writing 5 raised to 2x minus 1 as it is, and I'm shifting this 5 raised to 2x minus 2 to the other side. So this is plus, so it will become minus 5 raised to 2x minus 2. Okay. So next what I'll do, I will write down this as it is, 100 as 100 equals 5 raised to 2x minus 1 as it is, and this I will write down as 5 raised to 2x minus 2. I can write down as minus 1 because minus 1 is minus 2 only. Now in the next step, I'm going to use another property of exponent. So 100 as it is, 5 raised to 2x minus as it is, minus 1 as it is, minus. There is a formula that if I have, a raised to m minus n. Okay, so this I can write down as a raised to m upon a raised to n. This is another property of exponent. So here imagine this one is m and this one is n. So m minus 1. So using this property, this will become 5 raised to m, which is 2x minus 1, upon a raised to n, which is 5 raised to simply 1, using this property. Yes, using this property of exponent. Now next, I will write down 100 as it is. Here, what I'll do, I will take this 5 raised to 2x minus 1 common. Why? Because we are getting this, here also and here also. So if I take this 5 raised to 2x minus 1 common, inside the bracket I'm left with 1, and then minus, here I'm left with 1 upon 5 raised to 1, which is same as just 5, right? Next, let's simplify this. So this will simply become 100 equals 5 raised to 2x minus 1 as it is. If you simplify this, if you take the LCM, it will become 5 minus 1 upon 5. And now this will become 100 equals 5 raised to 2x minus 1. 5 minus 1 is, of course, it is in the multiplication form. So here into 5 minus 1 is 4 and then upon 5. Now what I'll do, I'll shift this 4 upon 5 to the other side. Okay. So again, this 100 will be as it is, but here 5 is getting divided. So if we shift it to the other side, it will get multiplied. And 4 is getting multiplied on the RHS. So if we shift it to the LHS, it will get divided. Equals 5 raised to 2x minus 1 as it is. Now this I can simplify. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 25 is 100. So on the LHS, I am getting 25 times 5, which is of course 125. And here it will become 5 raised to 2x minus 1 as it is. Now I can write down 125 as 5 raised to 3, because we know that 125 we can write down as 5 into 5 into 5. And this I can write down as 5 cubed, because here also a property of exponent, the power gets added. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. So 5 raised to 3, and this will become 5 raised to 2x minus 1 as it is. Now here I'm going to use another property of exponent, and it simply says if I have a raised to m equals a raised to n, that means they are equal and their bases are same, then it implies that their powers will be equal. Okay, so m equal n. So here imagine this one is m and this one is n. So because the bases are same, so the power will be same. That means m equals n, that means 3 equals 2x minus 1. Now simply this will become, you have to do this, 3 minus 1 will become plus 1 because you have shifted it to the other side, equals 2x as it is. 3 plus 1 is 4, and here 2x. So we are basically getting 2x equals 4. So what will be the value of x? X will become 4 divided by 2, because x2 is getting multiplied here with x. So if we shift it to the other side, it will get divided. So 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. So what is the value of x we are getting? The value of x we are getting is 2. So this is the answer. Okay, so let's choose the correct option. So the correct option is x equals 2. And this is the correct option. So I hope this video was useful for you and you have understood each and every detailed step. So thank you so much for watching. Let's meet again soon in another IMO video. Thank you so much.